of silence. What was that shit last night? I'm doing this for Joe Biden. I'm doing this for Donald Trump. Can we please have a moment of silence? Goon bummy way my palmy Joe. 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 I'm still having a moment of silence. Keep scrolling. This ain't gonna be for your goofy ass. Go ahead, keep scrolling. You don't want to hear no real shit. Keep scrolling. This ain't gonna be for your goofy ass. Get over now. Keep scrolling. La ilaha illallah. I mean, everything is fake except God. Everything is fake. The debate was fake. All this fake ass news is fake. All these people getting killed. That ain't fake. This shit is real. The young boys is dying. Was it Hoolio Foolio? I was Hoolio because I didn't know who the hell Hoolio Foolio was. I'm like, who? Where? You're like, yeah, Hoolio Foolio, the Hoolio. I'm like, who the hell is Hoolio? Who you fooling me with the Foolio? Who the fuck are y'all? Huh? Who the fuck y'all was that? I'm like, who the fuck? Huh? Who? Good thing. Is the Kendrick Lamar song really that high? Is it me? Am I fucking tripping? Excuse me, please. Tell me I'm hating. Is it me? I'm just like, I'm talking about the ten. Like, that's the shit? I'm with the beef, you know, I like the little, you know, battle. I'm a battle rapper, so I'm with the battle shit, but like that's radio, like that's the radio shit though. Like that's like when you hear, if you ride in your car right now, you somewhere on the East Coast and you hear ten, you're like, oh shit now. Like that hit like Bobby Smurder joint. That, you know when Bobby Smurder joint like, I'm gonna fuck with you. You like, oh shit, that's the shit now. Hold up. Or Young Mom with, ooh, you hear that? You like, oh, that's the. Okay, man, maybe it's me. I'm tripping. I'm gonna just go down the line. They drafting niggas now? Wow. How y'all feel about they drafting? How y'all feel about the, you know, the 18-year-olds, the 2019s? Excuse me, all that's gone. 18 and 26, you out here. They didn't talk about that last night. I know that. They ain't talking about that shit. They didn't hit them reparations. They ain't talking about that shit. You know, I can remember the time when Michael Jackson like disintegrated. I thought Joe Biden was going to disintegrate on stage last night. I was like, my God. I started feeling bad. Like, yo, somebody get my grandpa, yo. I started feeling bad for the man. Wow. I'm trying to put some light on the situation. Hold on one second. All right, I'm back. Hold on. Excuse me. Brief commercial break. Yeah, any mosquitoes is like drones out here. Shit. Nah, enough is enough. These niggas is disrespectful with the bike. Like, come on, B. Anywho. Man, why they doing the sisters dirty this year? Man, they been doing the sisters dirty, man. Brittany, they locked her up. They killed that poor little child. What's her name in Channing? They didn't, Tiny, they didn't get beat her all up. Nikki, they just dragging her all through the snake. Remy Ma, they just dragging her now. Sunday drag. They just been, with the judge out in Atlanta, they just dragging it. They just dragging the sisters, man. Fanny, they just dragging her. They just, man, they is dragging. The dudes think they got it bad. They are dragging the sisters right now. Man, what's the girl? What's the other one? The blue face. They just, man, they doing the sisters dirty right now. Man, they doing the sisters dirty. Send some extra strength prayers out for this. They doing the sisters dirty right now. Wow. 50 years of hip hop, and at the end of the 50, it's any crazy there's 50 years of hip hop, and at the end everybody going to jail. $50 years of hip hop end up with everybody going to jail? Huh? They looking for Russell. They talk about they looking for Jay-Z. Puff gone, Juvenile gone. Man. What Prodigy say? There's a war going on outside. Wow. So this side's going down though? That's how we doing it? Wow. Y'all don't see this? They don't even got a BET. What? I got a question. Let me get my back off here. Hold on. Yeah, when you get a Zxulubeedz, I'll show you how to use it. Like, I'm not into all the voodoo, mystical, lyrical, lyrical bullshit. Either shit work or it don't with me. I don't even play them games. I have no problem. I don't even play it. I don't. I'm one of them staying on your purpose. Know your God for certain. Practice what you learning. But drop that shit if it ain't working. I'm there. Drop that. If it don't work, get that shit out of here. You still complaining. You can't pay your bills. I don't care. Whatever spiritual system you're using, if you can't do all that, get that shit out. I don't want to use that. If it means I got to pay you $19.95 to get the DVD, the prosperity set, if I got to give you $165 each month to get this divination, sage, ass, and all that, I don't need none of that shit. Nope. This work. Because this requires you. You do the work. I'm talking to the people that pray like that and then go do some shit with the prayer. Ooh. Close to midnight. Oh, shit. I said pray and then go do something with your prayer. I'm not no monk. I'm not interested in sitting around all goddamn day. No, I got too much shit to do. I got to do a commercial campaign out there in Mount Holly, New Jersey for Cool Breeze Water Ice. I'm about to knock out a whole marketing campaign on them. Cool Breeze Water Ice. Make sure you stop out there in Mount Holly, New Jersey. What up, Jersey? In the building. Shout out to Phil Pittman. He copped the fat Zxulubeedz. The Luke 10:19. He was like, yo, Zoo, I want Luke 10:19 in the bead. So I'm on each bead. I'm sitting there citing Luke 10:19 over each bead. Then I'm like, how can I get it on it? So I had to put, he wanted actually Luke 10:19 on the bill. I'm like, how the hell am I gonna do that? We did it. We got it done, though. Shout out to Phil. Eric Lee just copped the pair. Eric Lee, your bees on the way. Dana Harris, your bees on the way. Good luck. And do the prayer. When I give you the prayer, just do it. This shit don't work, call me back and be like, yo, Zoo, that shit don't work, Zoo. That's some bullshit, halal dog. Halal dog, that's some bullshit. Take you and your magic beads and beanstalk and beat it up out of here. Get that bullshit. Zoo, I can't get jiggy with this shit, Zoo. It's bullshit. I can't get jiggy with that shit, man. No, bro, I can't get jiggy with that. You can't get jiggy with it. That shit bullshit, Zoo. Oh, the debate. Man, I know Russia, China, all the superpowers, Korea. They looking at this shit like, is my man about to fall? That nigga started, he went to answer a question. And that nigga started ordering from Pizza Hut. I was like, huh? President Biden, we give you an opportunity to respond to President Trump on your policies when in regards to immigration. Well, we've opened up more signs of the borders are shut down. And does anchovies come on that pan pizza? Yeah. I'm trying to put in, can I get a Caesar salad with, I was like, what the, this nigga started ordering pizza. That nigga went from answering the question to be on the phone with a cell phone provider. Like, yeah, my phone been going out all day. You sure it's not? Like, Joe. Frankly, I don't even know what they say. I just know they look terrible. That shit looked terrible. They was up there bickering and going back and forth. It's cool when we do it on our life, you know. But if you're going to be the head of a conglomerate, if you're going to be the leader in some type of capacity, you gotta have some decorum, man. You can't be out there going back and forth, taking shots. I mean, you get it in, you say what you said, you stand on what you said. If you throw a shot, you know, you get a nigga warning shot, I'll back up with the left jab. The left is crazy. A couple of you niggas remember the left. The left is, you remember, the left is crazy. Bang, out of nowhere, you let a nigga know, back it up, boom. So, you gotta throw what, you throw that blow out there, but after that, you know, you stick to what's more important. And I think both of them had an opportunity to really address some concerns, especially when it comes to reparations, number one, I mean. Reparations, number two, I mean. Reparations, number three with me. Immigration, because that shit crazy. Now I see why they were saying, remember a couple years back, they used to be like, yo, by 2050, everybody in America gonna look like a French fry. We just didn't know that they was gonna flood the flies in here. So that's kind of crazy. Where we at? That's just, I'm like, man, where we at? This is crazy. So, with all this talk, all this social media talk, all the terrestrial talk as far as television, all this media talk as far as radio, and all the different devices that's putting out all this propaganda. That's why I get on my bees and talk to the real media. The real media. When I'm going la ilaha illallah, like I'm saying right now, la ilaha illallah, I mean, everything is fake. There's only God. I'm not hearing none of that bullshit they talk about, because at the end of the day, the Most High is in control of this shit. Not what's going to happen in primaries. Not what's going to happen at the end of such and such trial. Not what's going to happen in the financial market. The Most High is still in control of this shit. All this doom and gloom bullshit that they keep coming, all that. When I look over there, them squirrels is just sitting there scampering on. The butterfly just went by over there. The mosquitoes is like drones biting shit out of me. They don't give a fuck about none of that we talking about. And you know what I'm saying? The Most High is in control of that. Global warming. Do I even know how to spell global warming? Ancestors, excuse me, Tree. Do I know how to spell global warming? Hoolio Foolio. Oh, Hoolio Foolio. What the fuck is that? Look, here come all the niggas with more degrees than the thermometer. This one they get to shine. Oh, it's the interterrestrial of the frequency of the Earth, of the galaxy, of the asteroid that comes in, and the population as the ether hits through the Kundalini, rises above the lower chakra. Using the Hu breath, the warming effect, which is coming from Jupiter rays, which circulates around the sun 10,000 times at a 93,000 of a merculoid. This is where these niggas get to shine at. What is that? So you mean to tell me this global warming is going to do some shit that ain't... How long this Earth been here? Some shit going to happen now that didn't happen then. And if it happened then, the world be fucked up. We wouldn't be here. What is these niggas talking about? Ain't nothing new around the sun, in the sun, over the sun. The Bible say nothing new under the sun, in that shit, around the shit, above it. Ain't nothing new. These niggas is tripping. The earth will always correct itself. You cannot beat the earth up. You can beat it, They talk about, oh, we did up. Man, do you know how many, I was just up in the mountains last week. Do you understand how many damn trees I saw? We've been beating trees. We've been on the planet beating trees up from the beginning. The trees been, that's primal shit. The trees been, and ain't wiped them out yet? Shit. You know how many trees I saw? And I was in Ohio. I didn't go west.